Hello everybody. So here in this video I want to show you the difference between React and Angular. Which one worth to learn? Okay. So I will show you the difference based in two aspects. So the first here, so that's the website Stack Overflow. So and here that's Angular. So I will write here, let me show you from scratch. So here I will write Angular JS. So that's the trend of Angular JS, and I will write also React JS. So those both trends. So and notice that those trends are the percentage of Stack Overflow questions. That means that those trends showing you how IT engineers and developers search for both Angular and React. Here that means that here in this time here, that means that the developer search in React more. Here they search for Angular, and then it starts to drop down, and now the React in this day, React is the better than Angular. And there is another factor, another aspect to compare between them, which worth to study, which is the online freelancing platform. Here I use, for example, Upwork. Look, if I search for Angular, so Angular, so what we have Angular, excuse me, Angular, yes, what we have, how many work we have, experience level, so we have 30 projects, open projects of entry level, 562 for intermediate level, and 450 for expert. So let's now see about React. For React, there is the entry level is 177, intermediate 2882, for expert 1709. So that means that React is better. So which one worth to consider, this one here, or the task overflow? So notice that there is a big difference between them. Here that's the developer, what the developer and IT engineer search for, but here that's what the client search for. Okay, so that stands on you, and that's my idea. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and in the descriptions below I will put the link of this application here, and I give you also a resources to learn React.js. Okay, good courses. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.